This is why you need to know about early brain development. It's fascinating. Turns out, our brains start laying down the groundwork way before we even open our eyes. A recent study on newborn mice has shown that brain cells begin firing together in sync, strengthening their connections. This happens even before any sensory experiences kick in. Researchers observed retinal cells in newborn mice and saw that these early firings led to new branches forming in the brain's visual pathways. This supports Hebb's rule cells that fire together, wire together. So, even in the womb, our brains are busy getting ready for a lifetime of learning. But the research doesn't stop here. Future studies aim to track how these connections hold up once sensory experiences begin and how they impact other neurons. It's a peek into the very beginnings of how we learn and grow. So next time you ponder the marvels of the human brain, remember, the wiring starts early, and it's all thanks to a little cellular teamwork. Mind-blowing, right? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating insights.